Hello friends and welcome to my channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Tejas Networks, which has been surging for the last few days. So let's understand about the business and let's understand whether you can invest at these levels or not. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Tejas Network, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel. It will help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time on markets and stocks. And if you can pay $100 upfront, then you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. So that's a 20% discount, and you can ask me one query every day. For detailed market or company talk or number of stocks you're holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now, about the company, Tejas Networks was established in 2000 and they manufacture telecommunication and data network hardware components. It is one of the smaller brands in this industry but is growing extremely fast and is producing very good numbers. The market cap of the company has soared to 3500 crores from around 2000 crores about 6 months back. Coming to the financials, and these are Q1 FY22 numbers. So sales went up by 75%. So from 80 crores, sales have went up to 144 crores, and profit has jumped from a loss of around 10 crores. The profit has come out to be 7.5 crores, so which is quite good that the company has come back into profit. Zero promoter but high institutional holding, and now with holding of Tata Sons who have taken a stake of 8%. This is the reason why the stock has surged over the last probably few days or so. Return on equity is 3% and operating profit margin is 12%, but it has been soaring as we are seeing from the last few quarters. If you look at performance of the stock, then stock has relentlessly fallen till early 2020. So we have seen that from 2018 onwards, Jan 2018 till 2020 Feb March, the stock has fallen vertically and has really not done that greatly well, but did exceptionally well in the last 15 months. It has done very well, and in fact in the last 2-3 months it has nearly doubled from those levels. So stock has surged around 7 times since March of 2020. In the last 15 months it is 7x and currently at around 380 rupees. So, and it is on a circuit, so it is surging big time. Tata Sons buying stake has triggered the recent move that has taken place from 210 to 20 levels, and from those levels the stock has gone up to 370 380. The numbers are also supportive of what is happening at the moment. Coming to the technicals, it has surged recently and did extremely well. Otherwise, the 220 was a very good levels to probably get into the stock and buy into them. Long-term support is around 300 now. The stock is around 380 and could be going for one or two more upper circuits from here on in. So stock is in a very strong up move. It's strong on charts and it may continue to perform going forward. It can be bought on declines, and we could see that the stock can be bought at around 320 330, but first we need to look for consolidation and decline in the stock. So in my opinion, what you need to do is probably invest at lower levels, buy the stock at lower levels or in correction rather than on these up moves or vertical up moves. There is stiff competition in this space, and there is stiff competition in the telecommunication ancillary space, so we have to look for that, and that is why I more or less look at other consumption names or consumer names which are into different domains rather than looking into telecommunication. Do not invest more than 5% of your holding into such a stock, and valuations are getting stretched now, so probably the stock is headed to 420 430 at that point of time. I would say from a recent numbers point of view, the valuations would get extremely stretched. So this was my video on Tejas Networks. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. And kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.